Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Taking the shortcut. They're taking the shortcut to avoid all the traffic. Oh man, see, look at cut through here. We avoid all that traffic over there. Oh, what is that on the floor? What is that on the floor? Oh, look at that colorful ball. Okay, babes, we need to figure out food first. Huh? Oh, food first. What? What ball? Why? Oh, look, babe. You can go eat up there. Where are you going? There's no more shortcut. Look at Big Panther up there with his legs open. There's actually, look, it's a toy.
Look like he's ready to get down.
Memphis? Where's Mario? Is Mario them gone? Oh, what? Yeah, but look how far them gone. Them gone left way and them not even turn back to realize they that. What? I know, that's crazy, eh? Oh, let's take a picture. Let me see if I can get someone to take a family picture.
Yeah, I see wax.
Oh my gosh. This is just crazy. Oh, look at that ugly thing up there. Oh, thing scares me. There's the haunt. Memphis? There's the haunted house. Yeah. We should go in there. But I'm sure Rissa probably start crying. Yeah. On Halloween, people usually come to go to the haunted house here. Or they go to the one in Center's Wonderland.
Go to Mirror Place.
What?
Go to the Mirror Place. The Mirror Place is easy to get through as long as you have, if you want light.
I was 4,123 years old when I lost count.
You should have seen his last birthday cake. You needed sunglasses just to look at the candles. What?
Girls. We end up coming in this place. Oh my gosh. There, babes, elevator. We gotta go in the elevator. So we gotta go to the 3rd floor. So we're going to IHOP. The girl is hungry. The girl is hungry. So
You get real stuff from that.
we're going to the 3rd floor. Oh. Why is it blurry?
Second.
Second, actually.
Is it setting?
What's up, bye? What's up?
Oh, it's not. So much for IHOP. IHOP's closed. So we're going to the next. Really? I don't want no Burger King. No, I don't want Burger King. I'm sick and tired of the Burger King. You guys are disgusting. I don't want no Burger King. I want something good. I don't want. This is Skills. So they have different stuff. So we'll go in here, go eat. So this is where we're going to eat, guys. So we are Boston Pizza. I am exhausted. Babe, I don't know what is going on. My camera is not doing what it's supposed to do properly. Okay, so we're in Boston Pizza. Obviously the camera looks alright. my setting.
Restaurant waiting for food, and these ones as usual complaining.
But I own
Small family restaurant waiting to eat. Oh my goodness. And these two, they're ordering, the two older ones are arguing over food because one decided to order poutine, the other decided to order burger, and one didn't get no cheese on it, so they're complaining. They are too funny.
What I got was supposed to be.
Can I just have one fry? Please?
Wait, you have your food in front of you.
Mommy, can I have that one?
What they've got.
And one.
Perfect.
And what Lisa has over there. What do you want? Mayo? About to chow down on some food. My battery is dying, so.
It's called the wall.
So guys, we just finished eating and now we are back on the road. Yeah, and it's starting to get darker. Oh, the guy switched, yeah. He switched around. And I think didn't switch. So what?
People are still coming. I couldn't do that.
Mom, I can't drive.
You can't drive?
No, I can't drive.
Well, you want to go on go-kart?
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh, look, babes, they put the light the fire. Babes, they light the fire. Oh, you didn't see it, see?
So bad at driving, you can't even start.
It's not a real fire
Oh,
though.
I want to go to the cave. The dinosaur.
So you afraid, Amina?
Oh, God. Look at you two. Really?
This is the first time I did this. He freaks back.
I remember, Memphis, you were so scared of those when you were younger.
They gonna bite at the end.
Okay, so I guess we are heading on to the ride. Time to empty out all your food. You just eat, and now we're going on
That easy or hard?
the go-kart.
They look kind of different from the one that we used to back home.
Hey.
When we used to back home, they're small and they're fast.
Well, we're going in line. Here we go. Rissa? I know.
I will go with this.
So how come they have a hat? How what that they didn't put up on their head? Oh, okay, to put on there is the helmet.
The long
Now
line?
I see it.
The line long enough?
Some of them put on one of them.
But I thought that it was number by number. Are you ready?
Do you have to put on one of those first?
I'm scared. I can't drive a go-kart. Stop.
Ready to go?
I passed you out. I passed you out. In the first one, I passed you out. And then this girl, like, I had to stop. This girl bumped into me and went in front of me. Like, I want to do it again. Actually, do it.
They're making chocolate. It shows you. Look, see they put the almonds on that one already. No, I know it tastes good. See, they're showing you how they make it.
Yeah, I know. I saw that in the
That's neat, eh? They make it right in front of you. They're making chocolate. See over those? Those are chocolate bars there. And then they show you how they cut them up and like they do them like that. It's a candy
I want to
store.
go in the haunted house now.
We're going to Mirror Maze.
The mud? The mud?
The Mirror Maze.
I want to go to the haunted house now.
Where's that? You know what I like? When you're going over that ride, the roll, when you go roll down.
Ice cream.
Yeah, I like that part. Okay, you're going down so fast.
When I'm going on that, I speed it up to the max.
That looks good, eh, babe? I'll go in there, go buy a thing of chocolate.
Yeah.
Look over there, someone. Mom, look around the nice garden. Come on, Ferrari, that's it.
Yeah.
Ferrari, Mercedes. Wow, what are they? I can't remember what the car they do.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah. Wait. Is it starting? I wonder when they're starting the fireworks. Movie land. Okay, here we go again. Huh? Oh my god, this is crazy. Here we go again. Walking down this place. Oh, babe. Oh, babe. We could have even gone up there to go eat. I forgot about that place.
Ruby Tuesday. But it's not
you guys
Tuesday.
are so
But it's not Tuesday.
eager.
But it's not
eager.
Tuesday. But it's not.
Hungry, that's what it's called.
Look, they have the poop hat. You want one?
Yep. Coffee did it. I'm the poop queen.
Oh my gosh. Memphis. Oh my god. Don't say things like that.
You want ice cream?
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
I know you scream. I could hear you.
Water.
I wonder what time they're gonna start the fireworks.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Oh, Memphis, that hurts.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Babe, look, there's Adventure City. We should go see what's in there, over there. Or they have movies. It's 4D. So it's more advanced than the one that we see when we go. Oh my goodness. Everybody's just hanging up. You're really talking about food? There's so much o'clock at night and you talk about
The
food.
only thing we want right now is water. I maybe want ice cream.
Go back go karting. That's what I want.
That's what I want. We'll go back go karting or go on the Ferris wheel, but no.
Oh, you want to go back go kart when
I
you
want
can
to go on
hardly
the Ferris
drive?
wheel.
Huh?
I can't hardly drive.
Excuse me, we can't drive.
None tall except
I'm gonna talk about Miss
So by the
Faith.
time we stop up, I went
No,
somebody. I
listen,
went
two
three.
people are...
Over there, look. I can see it is so big. I can't see now.
having a great time. Everybody's out here patrolling in the road. And babes, they're about to get run over. There's a car.
Look at those people, they're walking on that side. Guess where that goes? Yes.
Hey guys, so we just got in. Oh, I'm exhausted. We're all so tired and we're all just about to go shower up and just hang out and just call it a night. I know it's late. If you guys enjoyed the fireworks, I also hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And leave a comment in the comment below. And let us know what you guys think of the video. And yeah, so we are peacing out for the night. And we will talk to you guys all in the next one. Peace.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and